This module shows you how to use the monetary table report task to post a new or amended monetary table onto the system. It is possible that a monetary table contains a large amount of data, and sometimes it is simply easier to view a monetary table in a report format. The monetary table report allows you to view a table based on date criteria you choose. To run a monetary table report, navigate to Background Information, General References, Monetary Tables, Monetary Table Report. Select or enter a table ID of a previously created monetary table that has been created in the monetary table definition task. Select the start date. For table row coordinate, input the first row value entered during table creation. For table column coordinate, input the first column value entered during table creation. Then confirm by entering Y. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to submit, and the monetary table report is displayed. That completes this module on monetary table reports. You should now be able to view monetary tables based on a specific criteria and produce your table in a report format.